I came to West Coast Spine Center for continued care because I've had issues with back and neck pain and vertebrae issues in the past. So I came to Dr. Barcomb's office just because I was seeking a Gonstead doctor, because those techniques and that process has worked for me in the past, and he was the only one in the area. So when I came here to meet him, it was a fantastic experience.
Now we have an idea where the inflammation is. And just palpate, motion palpate these areas here. Yeah, it's not quite doing what it's supposed to do right there. Right back here. And it's just right there. Just about right.
What's all good?
Just about right. Now, an important thing to understand what we're doing here is that we're not twisting the cervical spine, we're pushing it from the back to the front, like that. Versus having it done another way is when you twist the spine this way. That's one of the major differences from cervical manipulation and with the Gonstead method. Defining the right level and the exact spot is a really important thing. You want to make the vertebra that you want to treat, you want to be sure it's the right one. And with just in here, it's right there. You can feel that right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's much better.
He's been able to keep my maintenance up to where I haven't had really any flare-ups or issues, and if I do, I'm able to remedy those within a matter of hopefully a day or a couple of days of care. So Dr. Barcomb and the staff has been excellent.